Yeah, good morning all. Any doubt last session like material type? Every, everyone, everyone practice this material types.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like creation, like how to OMS2. That is a T code name is OMS2 T code. Yeah, OMS2 material type. Like I told you all types of material types. I told you all types of projects. For any type of project, these are all the material types which we can use frequently. That's it. But under that, ROH, FERT, semi-finished good, pipeline, DIN, and as well as LEIH. This at least these all five, okay, or six. These material types are very important. These material types are very important. Why means day to day they will ask this question. Like this. Any interview they will ask this question. Okay, any interview. Okay. Now today class. Okay, how to maintain the first how to create the material I will explain. Then some using standard how to create material. Okay, then at least you will practice today how to create material. Configuration will work next one by one. How to create material. I think everyone can see my screen using MM01. Sorry, using MM01. Heading. Okay, how to create material. We already created in industry sector. Okay, this all we created. Then how to create using MM01 procedure. Okay. Go to SAP logon. First, we MM01 will see material I discussed, industry sector I discussed, material type I discussed. Now I am creating one material. Step one, go to pathwise or logistics, material management, material master, material general MM01. Okay, general MM01. Double click on that. Okay, double click. Okay, double click on MM01. First, check this one industry sector, which we created earlier. LG Electronics I created, correct? Okay, LG Electronics I created. Just select here. Then, what is the material type I created? LG FP I created, correct? LG raw material RH I created. LG FP, LG raw material. Is it correct? These two types I created. Okay, select any one. First, I am creating raw material. Then after that, finished material. Heading, you can write down in bracket raw material creation. Raw material creation. Okay, raw material creation. Enter. Here it is giving one issue, this also will solve it. No problem. We will maintain our own number ranges, but last class I did not discuss number ranges. We'll discuss today class, we'll discuss number range also. Okay. Here it is giving you are creating material, but numbers are very less. It is giving. Then just continue, continue. That is only message. Okay, continue. Then we have here basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, general storage 1, storage 2, accounting 1, like that. We have the views are there. These all we can call views. Okay, let me open one more session, then you will get a clear idea. Under OMS2, last session, under OMS2, LG something, LG RH, LGRH. Here I told you some one point. User department, I told you, no. These user departments are nothing but a. These user departments are nothing but a. These are all the views. Okay, these are all the views. Okay, these are all the views. That is the main important. Here, if accounting is a, here accounting related it is so. Here example, if classification is existed, classification will exist here. A classification. Okay. Here, if I remove classification here, it won't appear classification here. Okay, here. If you need, you can select manually, but I don't want. By default, if MRP is there, MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, MRP4, 4 views will come. Here, user department are nothing but in front end, those are all views. Those are all material views. Okay, material. This point is clear, Bhavya, Sudarshan.
Yes,
Understood
sir.
this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, here, very simply, in backend, we are calling user department. That user department is connected to views. These views are very important for interview question and as well as material creation, warehouse management, data creations, sales and distribution purpose. There are so many other. Today, just I am introducing the material. Anyhow, tomorrow also same concept. Day after tomorrow also same concept. What are the views will you use frequently? I will give note one note. Maybe today or tomorrow I'll give you clear note. But right now, one sample material we have to create it. We have to select here 6 views. Yes, 6 views. That 6 views means basic data 1, write down. Basic data 1, basic data 2. Basic data 1, basic data 2. Purchasing, purchasing. General plan data storage 1, storage 2. Counting 1, accounting 1. 6 views we have to select. Okay, 6 views. Continue. Okay, continue. Okay, click on continue. Continue. Then here one number is generated automatically. One number is generated automatically. This is a number, okay, material number. I am creating my own material. LG raw material I am creating. Description you have to enter. First enter description here. Okay, description. Okay, one description you can enter. Then basic unit of measure. Okay, basic unit of measure. How you are going to measure this raw material? Either kg, either PC, enter kg. This is also, okay, we have by default it is there. You can browse also. But if you browse here, there are so many, okay, units are there. You can select it kg related unit, kilogram. Okay, select here kg. Otherwise, you can type it. Next. Okay, material group still we did not create. Right now, I will use standard data. Next class will create all material groups. Browse. Browse. Okay, we are working for the raw materials. We can use the existing one also. or we can use any metal processing or whatever it is. Okay, metal processing only we can use right now. Okay, how to create our own data later I will explain. 001 I used. Okay, 001 I used. Continue. Okay, no need to enter remaining all. Why? Because no mandatory field here. Okay, later we will work out. Division will work out. Lab office will work out. So many. We already created division also. Okay, later we will work out. Okay, enter. Basic data 1 is completed. Then once if I click enter, then it will go to basic data 2. Here now. This is basic data 2 tab. Okay, basic data 2 tab. Okay, enter. No need to enter any basic data 2 also. Then why we selected means just only for okay, like reference. Okay, in future we will work this all the okay, these are all the main views will work. Next, enter. Then it will go to purchasing. Third tab, enter. Okay, enter. Here we have to maintain here purchase group. Here we have to maintain purchase group. Okay, purchase group. Purchase group also not created. We'll create a next session. Right now, I'll use existing name, any person name. Okay, any person name. Okay, select. Okay, select. Enter. Okay, storage one. Okay, storage one. We don't need to enter any temperature conditions right now. Later we will work out. Next, storage two. No need to maintain the gross weight. No need to maintain the weight net weight. In real time only we will maintain. Later we will discuss clearly. Right now, material I am creating. Enter. Final step, accounting one. Here, very important point is valuation class. Here, valuation class. Here, valuation class. Okay, here, this is a valuation class. Here, valuation class is nothing but an integration between MM with the FICO. Integration between MM with the FICO. Okay, we have to maintain here valuation class. By default, raw material valuation class is 3000. By default, raw material valuation class is 3000. Why 3000? I'll discuss later. Next, by default, price control is V, moving average price. By default, these two notes I will discuss coming session, but right now you can write down clearly. Okay, click on moving average price. Then if you know the price, okay, 10, if you know the price, you can enter the price data. Okay, 100 rupees per kg. Hmm. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. We can't save. Now material, raw material is created. See now. This is the one material. This is whatever I created, raw material. That's it. Now, if you want to create finished material, same way. Like example, laptop, I have to create one material. Finished material, you have to select here. LGFP. I don't. Second example. Second example. Finished. Finished material type of. Finished material type. Okay, enter. Enter. Here also it is giving same same procedure. Enter. Select all 6 views, same views. Basic data one. Basic select means like this. Share. Example. Let me save first. Okay. I'll repeat you same step. MM01. See this time if I enter empty it will come. Empty. Why I removed? If you want to save your views, you have to select like this. Select like this. Select like this. Basic data one, basic data two, purchasing, storage one, storage two, accounting one, and you have to click here default savings. You have to click here default savings. Select. Then continue. Next, description. This is laptop I am creating. Okay, laptop. 14-inch laptop. This is like PC. I'm going to cover the PC. If it is laptop is there, you can browse the materials, or otherwise you can specify here laptop systems. You can specify the laptop. The laptop system. That's it. Enter. Enter. Purchase group, you can select browse here. Okay, browse here. Our data, once if I create it, will create many materials. But today I'm creating for you because you have to practice the material. That's what I'm creating one or two materials I'm going to show. Okay, once I will go for our own material number range also will create it. How to create, I'll show it. Enter, enter, storage one. Next final step, accounting one. Okay, accounting one. Then valuation class, it is not 3000. Valuation class, it is a 7920. Okay, it is a 7920. It is 7920. And price control should be valuation class is a standard price. The price control is standard price. Select your standard price, then moving average price, then moving average price. Sorry, standard price. Okay, laptop price is 50,000 or whatever the data. Okay, save. Okay, save. This way we will create the material. Okay, this way we will create the material. Save. Now material is created. The material is created. But here one point you have to observe now. Here you have to observe one point. Okay, this material is created, but material number is not maintained. I did not maintain material number. I did not maintain material number. Okay, how to maintain our own materials? That is only the next step. How to maintain our own material numbers. Okay, back. Any doubt now? Say raw material is created, finished material is created. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me. Any doubt, anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. Okay, how to create our own material number ranges. This is the concept now, today concept. I covered materials, but by default system is generated that numbers. Now I am going to enter the number ranges. Sorry. I'm going to enter the material number ranges. Okay, material number ranges. I'm going to enter material number ranges. Okay, enter material number ranges. See, this is the configuration, today configuration. Step 1, material number ranges configuration. Go to SPRO. Okay, go to SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Okay, SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Click on Logistic General. Open Logistic General. Okay, Material Master. Okay, Material Master. Basic settings. Okay, basic settings. Material types. Material types. Under material types, I already created material types. OMS2 is. Next step is now today new step. Define number ranges. Okay, define number ranges for each material type. Define number ranges for each material type. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Here we have to maintain groups. Only this step is a little bit lengthy step. Remaining all are very easy only. Just maintain the groups here. Okay, each step you have to understand one by one. Okay, maintain the groups. If you want our own number ranges, first you have to select here create group. Okay, this is create group. Hmm. 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 So create group. LG material group. LG material group or number range group. Number range group. Our own number ranges. Our own number ranges. If you want separate number also you can create. Otherwise, you can create any one number ranges for all. Okay. It, enter the number range. Any number range I'll create. Otherwise 8000 series. Something 80,000, 8 lakh, 80 lakh, 8 crore. Okay, this number range I'm creating 8 crore data to like 3 zeros total, 4 zeros, 999. Okay, like that. One number range I created from 8 crore to 8 crore 99999. You can enter any number range. Okay, you can enter any number range. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Like if you get like this type of message, then this number range is going to save. Okay, click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Then save. Now number range is ready. Okay, number range is ready. Okay, back. Okay, back. Then I created already two types of materials. One is LG R something. What is the name? LG raw material I created. No? LG RH I created. LG FP I created. These two material types we have to attach to our group. Okay, here. Do you remember that names? LGFE, LGRH. If you want, you can open one more session. Enter MM01. Share LGFE, LGRH. These two are my material types. But remember those material types. And select this material type. Select LGFP one by one. Select LGFP. Maintain here. Okay, maintain here. Okay, maintain here. Here, just now I created LG group. Okay, LG group I created. LG material number range I created. Select. Okay, select. LG material number range. Same procedure. Same procedure. LG, 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 RH, LG RH. Okay, LG RH. Please select LGRH element group. Select element group. Down LG material number range. Okay, down you can select LG material number range. Okay, LG material number range. That's it. Now I can go down. Down. See here now my number range. LG material number range is created with the two material types. Okay, with two material types. With two material types I created. That's it. Now if I test once again material number range, if I test once again material number range, it will create. Let's see. Okay, go to now steps I am explaining. Now testing our own material number range. MM01. First raw material I created LGRH. Continue. Still it is showing. So 1 second. I'll refresh here. It is already maintained. No? MM0. LGRH. Number range is still it is showing only number range. Okay, I think it is not saved. I think it is not saved. Let me try once again. Groups. Page down. Right. LGRH. Refresh. MM01. Enter. See now. I did not get any message now. Did you observe now? Before we got okay. After enter we got one message. Okay. Number ranges are very less left. Some number ranges are left. But right now displayed at a time all. Okay. All the views. Views. Select. Here now my own number range is created. This is my which I entered 8 crore series. Here automatically it is generated. This is my raw material number range. Once again, LG raw material new. Our own number range. Anybody observe this point? This one before some other series is displayed, but right now my own data is displayed. Okay, my own data. Correct? But 1 second. Here our plant also should come. Okay, MM01. Here by default LGBA. Okay, by default LGBA we already entered. Okay, but our plant name is not LGBA. Is it correct? Our plant name? Anybody remembered my plant name? Bangalore plant name LGBN, I think. Okay, LGBN. Okay, otherwise I'll give this. Better write down clearly your plant names. I think LGBN only. Okay, LGBN. Continue. See here now. Now this material will be created our plant. But before okay, it is created another plant. Okay, let me create a PC material group. Enter, enter, enter. enter. Okay, evaluation class. Then we, okay, material price. Say now my own material is created. Like that, you can create the finished material also. Same procedure. Material number is my material number. Let's see. 2 is created. Now my plant I will select here. Arg levels. LGBN is there. LGBN I will select. I'll click here default values. Okay, default values. If I select my own plant name, I can select it. My own plant. My own plant means which I generated. But whenever you are practicing, okay, because server is same, I think. For you, server is same. Okay, that's what you have to practice your own plant name. Every time you just enter your plant name and continue. You have to check compulsory. Otherwise, all materials will be created on my plant. Okay, my plant. Enter. This is the finished material. Okay, laptop 15-inch or 14-inch with a new material. Okay, PC, material group, enter, enter. Okay, purchase group, enter, enter, enter. Okay, 7920. Okay, standard price, enter, save. That's it. See now one new material is created. Two material I created. Like that, okay, if you want to create a okay, another plant, same material. Okay, laptop. Okay, some pen drive if you want to create. Okay, pen drive. LGBN pen drive. Please. Procedure is same. Material number you can see clearly. Every time it is increasing. Same number. Same number. 1920. Pen drive will be standard price like 100. Save. See now, 4 is generated. How many materials I created? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Any doubt? So that's one by one.
No,
Any
sir.
doubt? Manjunath,
No, sir.
Bhavya. Now 3 materials I created. Na? These 3 materials I have to show. Okay, is it created our actually I created 5 materials, but I created 2 materials under a different plant, 3 materials in my plant. Let me show. Okay, to check the material list report, MM60. Okay, here MM60 is nothing but a one report, material list report. Okay, material list report, MM60. Then let me log in. Something happened. Check anybody is having laptop. Check your server is working or not. Only I am facing issue or okay. I'll show in another server. We'll see. My servers are not working. I think they restarted the server, I think. Check anybody who's having this one. Okay, I'll show in one more. $65. Hmm. The client is 400. Okay, I'll try in another server also. And it's all are expired, I think.
Sir, in my laptop also it was not working.
Not working, huh?
Yes.
With their main server place, they is turned off, I think. Okay, wait, I'm checking.
Sir, same issues for me also, sir.
Same issue. Okay,
Ah,
okay. That's why it's not my problem. It is a server side. They restarted, I think. Okay, wait, I'll check with them only. Get back to them. Check. Hmm. Hmm. Even other server also not working. I don't know why. Can you wait? I'll show output in another server. Wait. Some other server I have access. 109 is there here. 109. 201, 109, 63. This is not 60. Edit. Instance number is 63. EH7. Okay, let me select now. Oh, for other server also same issue. Only this is what. Hmm. One second. I'll log in one more. ECC user 999 07. Yes, it is open. Okay, let's see. Now here I'll enter here MM60. Okay, MM60. It is a report, material list report. Okay, MM60 material report. Actually, my plant name is LGBN, but here LGBN is not there. LGBA should be there, I think. Let me check now. See here, this is my one more plant. Okay, LGBN instead of LGBN. Okay, I created another one. Okay, let me show. Not there. Huh? Let me check LGBA only. Now, if I execute here plant name with this one data, so now no material it is showing. Any LG related data? F4. Yes. LGP1 is there. LGP1. I'll create LGP1. Then, okay. Actually, my plant name is Universe Server. My plant name is LGPN. This is LGP1 I selected. Another plant because I have to show the output. Once if I click execute here material not displayed because there is no material for this plant. There is no material. But standard plant I'll show. 1000 is a standard plant. Execute. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Now, once if I execute here, it will show all the plant data. It will show. Okay, all the plant data. Now you can observe now. Okay, now you can observe. Okay. See now all the materials. Okay, all the material list is displayed. Okay, like that. Okay, whatever the plant you have, plant-wise materials. Okay, plant-wise materials you can see here. Okay, plant-wise materials you can see here. Yes. But my okay here something like I'll check with the AG. Yeah, 4. Okay, something AG 0. Delhi plant is there. Let me check the Delhi plant. Okay, no materials. AG 03. These are all okay. AG 04. Okay, they no, not maintained. Okay, there. Okay, sure. No material is maintained. That's what you just create your own plant data. Then you can test it exactly. It will show your material list. It will show. Okay, it will list. Okay, this is the procedure to create the material number range. Anyhow, that I already sent screenshot to them. Okay, they will rectify it. Okay, for you, okay, who are going to practice that in your servers, just wait some time. I'll informed already. Okay, it will be rectified. Okay, after some time. Then after that, you can practice. Now, if anybody is having any doubt, ask me. Or okay, ask me. Yeah. Like today, just only 3 points only I introduced. One is how to create raw materials. Using MM01, I created raw material related. I created, okay, I created raw materials, I created ROH. Then I created finished goods, I created. Then, okay, how to create our own number ranges. How to create our own number ranges, I explained. Okay, how to create our own number ranges. Okay, after number ranges, then I have shown you okay, clearly each and every procedure wise. Okay, procedure wise. Then another extra point is MM60. Okay, another extra point is okay, MM60. MM60 is a report. We can call material list. Okay, we can call material list. Okay, using this material list, I have shown you Okay, how to run, okay, how to run the report, okay, how to run the report. All the data you can download it. Okay, you can download like this. Say no. Okay, you can. This is one type of report. Actually, for you, I created only 3 plans. I created only 3 plans. Okay, but here there are so many materials. Okay, I created only 3 plans and 3 materials only. Next class, I'll create many materials. I'll create it. Then I'll run the report. Okay, I'll run the report. Okay, this is just only for idea. But how to download also, you can download it here. How to download? What is meaning of download here? Okay, this data is in SAP format. Here we have the one option, local file. Okay, local file. Here local file means directly just select here, text with a tab, text with a, if you want text format or if you want Excel format, you can select with this option. Okay, you can select this option. Okay, text with the tabs. Okay, click on continue. Select here path, directory path, desktop. Excel files. Okay, Excel files. This is material list, material list. Okay, material list. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Click on generate. Click on generate. Click on allow. Okay, click on allow. Then you see that particular data. How much data it is there? Almost 558,520 bytes. This data on my desktop with Excel sheet. Okay, Excel sheet. What is the data name I entered? So mat list. This is the Excel file. Okay, click on that. Okay, click yes. Okay, click yes. Now see the same data. It is downloaded in okay one Excel sheet. I downloaded. You just compare if you want. If you have any doubt, compare. No problem. Check the material list. Check that first one is 9 only. In Excel also you can see first one is 9. Check here. 11, 21. Everything is downloaded. All the data is related to material. Everything is downloaded. Okay, down. This option we can call material list report. Okay, material list report. Any doubt now? Manjunath, Sudarshan?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Try to practice this one. Maybe tomorrow onwards, maybe 5. Okay. Maximum 5 minutes will be late because I have to come to this one institute only tomorrow. That's why today also I reached to same time. But to start the server, it took like some time. Okay. Maximum 7:75. I'll connect it. Okay. If possible 7 only I'll connect it. Otherwise 7:5. Okay. 7:5. Okay. Just wait some time. No? Then immediately I'll connect it. Okay. Yes. Okay. You practice today and we'll continue tomorrow with this extension with the configuration settings. Which one? Today material group I used standard. Okay. Division I use standard. Okay. But tomorrow class, how to use our own customization data. Tomorrow I'll explain. Okay. I'll stop it today.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Let's
Okay,
see.
sir. Thank you.
So for us, still the server is busy.
No. But it will be rectified. I'll message you in group. Once if it is
Okay,
rectified,
sir.
I'll message you. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Okay, let me check once again if it is working or not. It's still not rectified. Maybe. Okay, I'll check with him once again. I'll message you once if it is working. I'll message.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Yeah, I'll start with you.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.